Within the Access LMS module, you can benefit from a full suite of reports to manage your employees on their own personal learning journey. You'll have quick visibility to a range of reports, pushing the relevant information at hand for the relevant user at the relevant time, be that the administrators, the line managers, or the employees to see their own learning. So this is a really powerful tool that gives our customers the ability to report across their organisation to ensure compliance and to reduce risk. Access Learn comes with a variety of reports. Those reports can be cloned and amended to suit requirements. Reports can be created from scratch and they can be scheduled. From the report dashboard, all of the standard reports are in alphabetical order, so easy to find. You have the ability to filter the reports, looking at grouping reports by favourites, reports created by yourself. You can also group the reports by the audience that report is appropriate for too. So as an example of the reports, let's use the due date status report. This report will show me any training where a due date has been set and whether that date has expired, is due to expire, or if it is still to expire. Before we look at the data from the report, let's review the options that we can run. The report could be run to look at the employee's full name. The report could also be run to look at an activity that's taken place. You can then view filters against the report, such as is this report overdue, needs to be complete within the next 10 days. You can then look at whether or not the training has been set as mandatory training, and if it is, you can set the type of mandatory training. You can report on employees that are active employees, you can report on archived employees, and towards the bottom of the screen you now have the ability to see the current data that's coming from this particular report. So at the moment we can see the training that's been completed, the training that's due within the next 10 days, and the training that is currently overdue. If we were to add the filters to this particular report, we can head up to the filter area, select the filter that we want to view our data by, and then we can rerun the report showing us the most up-to-date information, giving you full visibility of all the reports and data that you need to see within your organisation. Any activity within the Access LMS can be marked as mandatory, and if it is a mandatory area, you have the ability to further filter this down. This will ensure that you have quick visibility to see all the mandatory training for your employees to ensure compliance and to reduce risk throughout your organisation. All reports are visible in both a graphical form and also a data form to ensure that you have the ability to see the appropriate information against your employees. Reports can be downloadable into a variety of formats, including CSV, Microsoft Excel, and PDF. Any reports that are run on a regular basis with a variety of filters can be saved in their filtered format, so you do not have to run the report each time and add the filters or create that report from scratch. From here there is also the functionality to set up a scheduled report. So I can run a scheduled report that can go to a line manager every Monday morning so they can see the information with regards to their teams. As you can see, we can use the variety of filters that we have shown you, and here you can set who will receive the report, along with the time, the date, and how frequently that report will be going out to these users. So once we've added the time and date, we can then move on to set the body of the email. Here you have the ability to ensure the email follows your own culture and your own organisation's guidelines. Alongside the option to clone the standard reports, you can also use our report writer to create reports from scratch. This will allow you to ensure you always have the information to hand that you require. There's a variety of different options you can use within the report writer to ensure you are capturing the correct information for this report. You can look at reporting over certain periods of time, you can look at reporting over certain types of training, and you can also report over certain areas of your organisation. Once you've set your parameters, you then have the ability to use the field selector. So from here, you can see we have a variety of different fields within the solution that can be reported on, allowing you to ensure that your reports are customised for your own organisation. Should you wish to, you could then add in your field filters, or you can choose to sort the fields in a certain format. Then you can add your own naming convention and any description to the report. You can choose to add it to your favourites. You can set who will be able to view and run this report, and you can decide whether to run it now or to add a scheduled email.